stop. Feel that fire burning in your chest, the one that screams every single day because marketing and sales aren't on the same page. Because the leads dry up, the pipeline leaks, deals fall apart, and no matter how hard everyone pushes, the results sink like stones. That crushing frustration, it's real, it's raw. It's the silent killer of so many startups, ventures, and dreams. Founders lose their minds watching budgets burn. Sales teams curse marketing for sending crumbs instead of gold. Marketing teams rage against the walls, shouting at silence from sales reps. That war between these two powerhouses isn't just annoying, it's deadly. It drains your energy, wastes precious cash, and kills momentum faster than you can blink. But here's the brutal truth nobody tells you. This chaotic dance, this constant blame game, is not your fault. It's a system broken at the core, designed to keep everyone fragmented and small. But what if you flipped the whole story on its head? What if instead of chaos, there was one ruthless, clear path, a battle plan so sharp and unrelenting that your marketing and sales team become an unstoppable juggernaut? The secret weapon? Alignment. Not some soft corporate kumbaya. Real, surgical alignment rooted in ruthless honesty, ruthless communication, and a shared obsession with outcomes. First, obliterate every assumption about who owns what and when. Tear down every silo and set up a single scoreboard, the revenue scoreboard. Every lead, every touch point, every follow up counts. Everyone watches it. Everyone sweats over it. No excuses. Sales and marketing share metrics, from the first cold email to closed deal commission. Dead or alive, this is the war room. But it's not enough to just track together. You must own the buyer's journey as a single unit. Marketing doesn't just toss leads into the abyss. They nurture, qualify, fight for every contact, sculpting the story so that sales walks into the battlefield already owning the customer's mindset. Sales, on the other hand, must feed back every insight like it's the map to buried treasure. Exactly what words sparked interest, which objections crush deals, what questions keep killing momentum. This feedback loop isn't a boring meeting. It's a lifeline, a pact, a brutal second to second exchange that elevates strategy beyond guessing games to razor sharp precision. Here's the kicker: culture beats strategy every damn time. If your teams aren't bonded in respect, trust, and relentless hunger for shared wins, no tool, no CRM, no script will save you. You need ritualized rituals, daily huddles that burn excuses, celebrate scrappy wins, and shout about lessons learned. You need leaders who don't just demand, but embody accountability and brutal transparency. This alignment culture creates a self-feeding engine where every single person is addicted to crushing the gap between marketing hype and sales reality. If done right, this isn't just alignment, it's transformation. It turns confusion into clarity, frustration into unstoppable momentum, and silence into symphony. This is beyond theory or buzzwords. It's the lifeblood of every founder's dream, every investor's hope, every leader's mission. It's what turns mere ideas into breakthroughs, startups into empires, and teams into forces the market fears. This is where the rare few stop settling for broken systems and start building networks of synergy and power. Those who refuse to bow to outdated illusions of division and instead claim their right to absolute freedom in business and beyond. Stop accepting the chaos. Tear down the walls, forge the link that makes marketing and sales not enemies or roommates, but one fierce, relentless army, singular in purpose, untouchable in impact. This is the path forward. Crush the noise, demand the truth, align, fire, and conquer.